All right. This market's really starting to come down a little bit again. It seems like it's going to hold, but you got to see that flush down first, I think. But it's a risk either way. It's very questionable in here because it could take out the day's lows and keep going. I'd say this is a pretty good supply zone to be able to buy in for a reversal. Just got to watch it. There's a nice bottoming candle on the 5-minute. This thing should be good. This thing should be good to rip right back off now. I'm going to go aggressive on it with 5 contracts. Waiting for the pullback. Okay, I'm long. We'll see. This thing should push. See if it can hold. It might just roll over. Who knows? A lot of sellers. I'm going to stop out of that for a minute. It's just not ready. It's a lot of chop right down here at the support. It will. I'm thinking it's going to break out. But see, now I just knocked myself down to only 1260 left in drawdown. I'm going to go a little lower on size. There's that push back up to where I got in. I'm going to add. This should be the push. Should be. We'll see. It's a crazy spot. I'd like to see the reverse though. The 5-minute candle's breaking out right now. As it pushes up, it should squeeze up to the 10s. There we go. I'm gonna take a little off because I'm down. Hopefully it squeezes back up to the 15s now, right to the 15s. Keep going, feet to 15s. So I'm gonna take a break there. I'm out. Got out of there. It's gonna take probably a break and pull back, but could also squeeze back up to the 20s. But I'm gonna watch it a little bit here. Down 312. There it is. It's getting aggressive now. It's a nice reversal pattern. See if I can show you. So as you can see right there in the 5-minute chart, it's starting to curl off that support down there. That was a supply zone, or demand zone, I mean. And that demand zone started to push up very aggressively. So if I had that 500, that would have been legit. But I just didn't know if it was going to snap against me. So now it's going into a possible resistance spot here again. So you got to watch it in this area. I got the line drawn there, the red line. Starting to pull back a little bit off the 30s. Just going to probably take a resting candle for a minute there and then shoot back up, or just a quick pullback and then blast back up. I'm going to get long, see if I can get this thing to pop back up for me. Press those 35s. It could consolidate here and kind of go against me a little bit, unfortunately. I might have to stop out if I'm too early. I'm going aggressive today, so just trying to knock out this count. My drawdown's 1,300. 15 now. I might add here. The pop up. If I was to do it, that was it. I'm gonna add 5 here. Hopefully it pops back up for me. If it goes against me, it's gonna blow my account right up. Oh, no. That's alright. Blow me up. I got a little aggressive there at the top. It's reversing pretty hard on the 5-minute candle. So you can see right there, look at that rejection off that area. I was just saying that's possible resistance. I was hoping it would just push right through it, but it didn't. It got absolutely denied right there. Just turned it and just flushed it right down. That's okay. These are eval accounts. Here's where you buy them with big contracts and see if you can snipe them. Hopefully for a reversal. Going, come on. A nice reversal here would be nice. To the long side. took it. There's 1,000 right there. Back to the 700s. Look at that. Oh, it's pushing great now. Okay, here comes that pop. It's gonna reverse here. There we go. That's that nice reverse. I wish I could have just stayed in it. Popping all the way back up. So they're accumulating again. They pushed it right back down into that demand zone. Demand is starting to buy it back up. Pushing it back down again. I might buy some of this here. I bought it. Let's see if it can push back up again one more time. Little push, a little pop. It's larger shares, so I can get in and out quickly. It's not really doing what I want it to do. It might turn on me here. I'm watching it. Let's see if we can get some buyers to step in here. Come on. Push it up for me. There we go. They weren't doing it. My drawdown, it's not bad. I need that thing to pop a little harder than that. It's kind of keeping down. It's a little bit of a flag pattern and it might break out, but it's got to break out of that. It's got a lot in here to get through. It can do it. It probably will do it. Probably go back up here. Retest. Punching long. There we go. It's getting through. See it keep firing. Squeezing up. Nice. Just took it out up here in the teens. Just because I don't know if I think it can snap right back. 1,500. Pushing into the 20s. Nice. Nice little run here. Broke out of that downward consolidation. I'm gonna go short, see if we can rip back real quick. Just give me a little scalp right there. $500. There it is. That's that little pop, that pull back into the 15s. 15s might hold and then continue higher. I'm at 2,047. Just need to hit this to 3,000 to get myself a funded account. You basically, you just game these things. That's all it is. In the 20s now, pushing. I'm short one more time. I gotta get trapped there. I'm gonna see if this can pull back one more time. Just for a small scalp. It's kind of holding. There's another 300. Down to the 13s. Need about 650 more to be able to pass this eval. I'm just doing large swings Not really copy trading or anything like that. I wish I was, but I'm not. Okay, it's pushing back up. This thing has potential to break out, but right now it's keeping to its 5 minute wicks that are kind of downtrending. But if this thing breaks out of that, then it can do pretty well. It can definitely go retest those 30s. It's looking aggressive. I might get long here. Watching it. Little pullback. I'm gonna get long here. Okay, I'm long. I'm gonna watch it for the next pop back up to the 20s. I was hoping that 1875 would hit. There it is. All right, so now I'm right there at a 27.16. I need to get it to another less than $300 to be able to get it up and have this one funded. Just watching these 20s. It's got potential to pop out and do a flat top breakout in this area. So I'll draw the line. Waiting for this yellow line to get popped out and above. It's struggling. It's about 22 at 22. Maybe one more scalp on the bottom. It's going to be a bottom grab. Got to watch out because this thing's dropping hard. Okay, I'm grabbing it just to see if I can get a little something. Might go against me here. Okay, I'm out. I sniped it off those lows, and I'm done. $3,251. Eval passed. That was quick. Not bad. I blew one up, unfortunately, but I also just passed this one, so that's it. I blew the other one because I was thinking huge size, blew it, and then I just took this one and knocked it out. All done. $3,251. All done. Evals passed. That's it. Not bad. It's been a pretty crazy day. A lot of emotions are going out there. The market's down 1%. That's where we're at. I was gonna get 20 evals, but unfortunately, I just didn't do it. I was gonna do it, but I didn't do it. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna buy a few more evals. I'm gonna try to get, what do I need? A bunch. I'm gonna get a bunch. I'm gonna try to get them all funded and everything. So I will. I'll be working on that today. Yeah. So let's just watch the charts for a little bit. I'm gonna go get some water. I'll be right back. Oh wow, look at that big drop. Flushed right through the demand zone. I'm back. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I bought another account, working on getting another one. Passed one. Just bought another one. Blew that one up. Passed that one. Got another one here. It might continue lower. Let's see if there's a pop here. Pop up, pop up. No, I'm going short. I had to grab that quick scalp. $253. There's going to be a bounce, I'm sure. There it is. There's that bounce. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Big bounce. Watch out though, it might flip right on over. I'm going to go short. And scale into it. It's funny, you're like, oh, I think it's reversing, and then you go, and then you get screwed. There it is. Flushed for me. Flush for me. There it is. Bye-bye. It's going to go even more. It's going to go about right here. Oh, that's 50. Probably 1,000 more. It's getting bought up. I'm going to go a little more. Short. Adding. Oh, didn't get me. That's okay. This is a bear flag, I think. It might not be, but I think it is. I'm gonna wait. One more pop up. I'm gonna add short there. 3 contracts short. It's gonna trap these longs, or it's gonna squeeze us shorts out. Whichever. We'll find out. I'm thinking it's gonna snap right back down. Needs to break those 60s. More. Keep going. More, more, more. Snap into the 50s, 57s. Come on. This is that cat and mouse game. Snap it. There it is. Right into the 57s covered. Nice win. 569. Here we go. Let me refresh this thing because I got another one coming. I bought 4. 1 win and 1 loss, and then hopefully another win on some evals today. These things are popping back up into the 60s, giving those 60s a pop and a run. Looking on the charts, it doesn't look like it's going to run into a little bit of resistance potentially at the 79s, so 679s, 80s. This could be a long trap right here. They call this a possible bear flag, okay? It's like a pennant. So there. Here. Oops. I don't know why I did that. So this is coming down. It's consolidating and breaking out higher, which is good. Now I said watch for the 79s, the 80s. I'm going to watch to see what this does in this level. It's popping above, squeezing up, so it's broke through. They want to see if it could hold. I don't want to go that much size on this, because if it doesn't, if it holds and keeps going, then it's back to the that current demand zone. It's back in the demand zone. Pushing. Pulling back a little bit here. You can grab a possible pullback down to the 70s. Watching for a pullback to the 70s. A micro pullback continued possibly higher to the 70s. That's a nice big pullback if it can get down there. If it even lets it. You need to be able to get it. That's probably good enough there. I'm going to grab it. Pushing. Grab that. Push a little higher. Into the 80s and squeeze. Squeeze into the 80s up to the 83s. Squeeze into the 83s. Right here. Oh, I'm gonna get one. Need 5. I'm gonna add one more. Adding for a squeeze. Not much going on here. Little pop down, back up, squeeze, watching for it. Not really getting it. This could flush me out. Watching. I got out. That's okay. Down a little bit. Where am I at in this? I'm only allowed to see this. The trailing drawdown followed me up too high though, because I was up a lot. I was hoping for that thing to squeeze and pop out of that resistance area. So 79 held. Pulled back to the half. This is not a bad area to get long, just for those pops. But now it's flushing. I might blow this account if I get too aggressive. 60s is a good hold. I gotta go smaller size now. I'll build it back up. So in the hole basically because of my trailing drawdown. I'm still up, or I'm down 411. So here it is getting bought up. Bottoming candle with the tail. 60's getting pushed down. One more little push. I'm gonna grab that right there. The 57s. Grabbed it. Okay, this should get bought back up here. It should get a little coverage there. There you go, a little bit. Into the 60s, pushing to the 65s. 65s. Do we got 65s? Everything's weak. Let's see if we can grab. Okay, there we go. Into the 65s, giving it a little bit of time. See if we can regain this top up here. Watch this thing squeeze up. Watching it squeeze. I'm gonna leave one on for the dream. Oop, didn't get it. See if I can get it here. Come on. 65 covered. Alright, I sold them in. I'm gonna leave one on for the dream, for the pop. Into the 70s. It's kind of getting a lot of resistance in there. A lot of selling orders going through. It's really fighting the mids here, but it's okay. Maybe we could squeeze it to the 70s. Good. There's one. Keep going. Keep going. Down to the 65s. Watching it. Hitting resistance. I'm going to add here. Watching it. I'm going to add for one more 55 hold. Okay, it got me. See if it can pop back up here. Watching it. Reclaim and watching the time in sales. Keeping very low risk right now. Hoping the 50s can hold. It's not looking great, but I'm going to watch it and see if we can get bought up here. Little buy up, little squeeze. Dip buys are not great today. Pushing. A little further. There we go. Watching for the mid 65s. Come on, reclaim. I'd even settle for 63s. Boom. I'll take that. It popped up to like 64s and some change. I got out. Break even on this. I got to see what we're at here. I only have 1,200, so I have 1,222 for the trailing drawdown, unfortunately. Let's get the squeeze up to the 70s. It's curling. This whole thing's starting to curl up. It's breaking out of that downward channel. Could be a false breakout. Gotta watch. Into the 77s. I'm going short here. I didn't get covered, or I didn't get filled. This would have been a nice short. I'm gonna go 3 contracts, get a little more aggressive. I do have a trailing drawdown of $1,200. I'm gonna get long at the 60s, hope for a pop back up to the 70s. That's a strong hope because this thing's getting kind of slammed. This thing might just flush. I gotta be very careful here. Watching it. Adding. Hoping for the pop here. I just managed that trade. 1,400 on the trailing drawdown now. Still watching. It's pulling back down. It's rejecting the demand zone, which was up here. As you can see, this was demand. Came in, hit, bounced, came back down, broke, came back up, retested right here, and then rolled back over. Is now looking to test the 650s today. It's now down 1.3. Nasdaq's been down. Watching the 50s. Probably gonna break. Might snap down. Going for a reversal here is not a very good idea in my opinion. I'd say throw one on for the short. Watch it pop and then go short. See if I can even get filled at 52. Mid 40s. Probably testing the lows here. I'm going to get short on a pop. Short. Let's see if this thing can flush. Flush. Watching it. Watching it. It's going to be fast. There's that flush. Wow. I took it down to the lows and then pushed the lows. This could take it down to the 20s. 30s. 29. Might keep going. It hit. Let's see. Lows of the day. I'm not trying to buy a falling knife. There it is, down to the 20s. I'm not trying to buy this. It's getting a bottom a little bit, but not even close. I want to see a pop in the short. A nice candle pop up. I'm going to get short here. See if, hopefully it doesn't pop against me. Hopefully it's going down to the lows again. Down to the lows. Keep pushing. I touched it, came back up. It's reversing. Oh. Ooh, that candle's getting crushed. I covered because I was getting beat up on my trailing stop loss thing. This trailing drawdown thing is a pain in the butt, but it's okay. I feel like this thing's just going to turn right over and just come right back down. Oh, there it goes. But I had to play the game with this trailing drawdown BS. Here it is. I gotta get smaller now. What's my trailing drawdown again? Okay, 1,000. I gotta do like 2 contracts. Going short here. The 30s, if I can get grabbed. Okay, I'm going short. Watching for it to go flush right back down here into the lows. There we go, the lows, testing the lows. Covered. Only up 149. I got my trailing drawdown back though to 1338, which is nice. Nicer. This trailing drawdown is going to go all the way down. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes and tests the 600s. Honestly, it's trying to keep though. It's trying to keep right here. I'm gonna go low again. Short on the 27s. I'm gonna see if this thing is gonna take out the lows one more time. I'm not gonna let it go against me. I'm gonna stop out, worst case. Okay. Ooh, look at that flush. $600 flush on that one, all the way down to the 610s. It's going to the sixes for sure. It's going to the sixes. What's my stop at now? 1932. Okay, I got a $2,000 drawdown, roughly. I'm gonna let this thing pop up. I'm watching. I need to check the daily chart. It looks like it went right to a little bit of support on the daily chart, but it's got room all the way down to the 520, 530s. I don't need this to reverse against me though off that little small support that was on the it's not a daily chart, it's on the just a couple days ago on Monday's charts. Sunday's charts. This might pop a little bit here, but I'm not trying to grab any reversals out of here. Let's see if I can refresh and get another account here. I only got 3 in there. There's the 4th one. There's a new account. I'm actually going to let's see here. It's 22 and 23s. There goes, broke the 600s like I was saying I was going to. Hit the 600s. It's broken. This is a beautiful trade if someone's shorting this thing, which I know people are just sitting on it all day. It's one of those days. Gotta watch for the little bit of reversal here. It will pop up. I'm going short of the 95s. See if we can just crush it and not reverse against me. Into the 6s. Hopefully just that's a cap. There goes a little more. Down to 100. Got bought back up off the 90s. Might be a little too early here. This is a pop for a cover and then come back down. Hopefully it's not a reversal. Oh, I gotta get out. I'm watching it. It reversed a little bit. It's just popping off the lows. I still have 2,000 drawdown though. It's okay, that's good. I'm gonna get aggressive here. The buyers are kind of stepping up, but I don't believe it. It's gonna do a little pop and then might roll back over. I'm gonna watch it to the 15s. I just can't go long though. I just can't do it. I'm going short here to see what happens. See if we can flush right back down and not hold. Needed to flush. There we go. I mean, I don't believe you, but you could. I don't believe you, but you could. I'm gonna try to get a better price. Watching you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you're really going to pop up that much. I don't believe it. It's just hard to say, you know. I don't believe it though. I mean, you're gonna roll over. Just go ahead and roll over. Go ahead, roll over. Snap it. Bye-bye. 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 See ya. $600 win on that one. Only got me back up to even. Let's see where I'm at here. 2,500 threshold. I'm back to even. Dude, I was not going to sit there and believe that was going to happen. Reversals. Get out of here. There's no reversals right now. This market's getting absolutely shellacked. There's some pops to play with in snipe, right? But this thing's probably getting taken out. Now they got this. I'm going to go twos. Wait for the pop. Right back up to the 600s maybe. Maybe back up into here again just to see. It is putting in a little bit of a base, but this base can get taken out real quick. Like right here. You can go up. And then I'm going to go short. And I'm going to let it go right back down. That's what I'm watching for. Just like that. And I want to continue. Continue. Continue pulling. Through the 90s. Just going to watch it. 600s are trying to hold. I think they're just trapping longs. But that's just me. Could be wrong. Because this thing could be just consolidating sideways and making a base. Which is fine. That means there would be a reversal in looking at it, it doesn't look like it's a reversal just yet. We haven't even gotten 2 green candles. Getting slammed back down. That's not good. Watch this. This thing's going to get slammed. Watching the time and sales. Watch this thing just get slammed into the 6s. There's covers. Don't get me wrong. But watch this thing just get smacked. It's going to get smacked. I'm watching it. Watching the time and sales. Watching the price action. Like they're hitting the bid. They're hitting the bid. It's the huge tug of war. Imbalance. And you see the imbalance to the downside. All those guys think that, you know, whoever's trading this thinks that this thing's going to reverse to get in long right here. And then once that thing snaps out, it could be a liquidity grab, then to snap back up. There it goes. Bye-bye. See, and then that's that liquidity grab, comes back up like here. And then it traps everybody again. And then pulls it right back down. And then all those guys that just got long thinking, oh, I'm gonna buy the dip. They just get killed like this. Look, just like that. I'm gonna cover. Grab a few bucks off of that one. This is that cat and mouse game in here, though. You just don't know. But now, if it goes to the lows, which that's only down to the 86s, that could snap this thing down and go down lower for another leg. Another leg lower. I'm gonna go big size, since I have basically the trailing drawdown. I'm gonna see this thing pop back up a little bit, try to gain some momentum like it thinks it does. Watching it. I'm gonna watch it fail. 94 is a little bit low. Oh, you know, I only got 2 contracts filled. I'll get the other 3 up here. Heading back down to the lows, for sure. For sure. There it is. They're trying to hold it, though. And it's just going to get destroyed. It's only in the 86s, dude. That's nothing. That's going to get definitely tested. Still might pop back up. I feel like covering right here. Yeah. There's that big rip. I knew it. It's going against me pretty good now. Could be squeezing, could be holding. I'm in the 98s. Waiting for the pullback down here. Covered for a small profit, but I was just managing that trade because it went so, against me. 514, max trailing drawdown, which is good. It's going to test down there. It's going to test. It's really trying not to. Here it comes. They're really trying not to let that hit the lows. They're buying it up. Probably trapping these guys. This thing's about to dump right here. It's testing the lows again. You gotta let it go about 20 points. I'm going low again. I know I shouldn't, but I'm going to try it. I feel like this thing could just roll over. Looking at this and looking at the price action, all it needs to do is go right back down to the 80s and retest the lows. And just trap all these guys who just got long, All of them. Who just got long. All of them. Holding up though. I don't like it. Holding up the mids. It needs a flush. Hard. Like big snap. Like that. There we go. $600 winner on that one, some change. Right there. 11.49 now. Alright, need to get some water real quick here. It's been crazy. Just watching this price action and watching the way this thing's going. It doesn't look, obviously it's trending down. So for some huge reversal against you, This wouldn't be a bad trade for me. It's already snapped up, though. It already got bought up into the 6s. Getting pushed lower. I can kind of chance it and take a possible reversal here. I'll do it. I'll take a possible reversal here. It's going to be a scalp, though. Just like that. Just a scalp. Because it's been kind of holding up in that 90 range. Shooting back up. Just kind of range trading at the bottoms and holding the lows a little bit. It's been hitting it down a little bit, but nothing crazy. It's still in the mid 80s. I'm going to watch for a power blast to the top now. I'm going to grab it here in the mid-90s. Watch for the push. Up through the 6s. Cover. And sell right there. You could see the price action coming through on the tape, and then just how everybody was buying and kind of was just accumulating. I'm at 22 to 43. Evaluation's almost complete. Just need to do another 700 and some change. 757. I did want to kind of trade these together just to be done. Here's that reversal. It's pushing up pretty good. It is getting a little bit of action down on the bottom there, watching on a different chart on different time frames on the 5 minute. The 5 minute definitely engulfed all the price action in the last like 15 minutes, roughly. Actually, 14 minutes. It now is kind of showing a little bit of strength. Possible reversal for sure. Off the lows. But it's really hard to tell. I think that it wouldn't be a bad move to honestly short it. Just to see. I'm going to wait. Small pullbacks. I might go long, but I'm watching to see how this next 5 minute reacts. There's that hard pullback. I'm going to go long here. I'm going to wait. Wait for one more pullback. Nothing past the 6s though. It's like it's trying to buy it up, but it's not working. This could bite me, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm hoping for a pop into the 7s here and then pull right back down. Pull right back down. It's a failed breakout there. Testing up here. Hopefully it just flops and goes down to the 6s, but it is reversing, so I gotta watch it myself. There's that fail. It needs to fail harder. Nah, they're buying it. Yeah, they're buying it up. I'm letting it go because I'm thinking it could still come back down. Lost a little on that one. Plus my trailing drawdown got broke by a little bit. Still 16. It's trying to get out of there, but it's also getting smacked down and it's battling. Fine. This is not something I would want to catch. This thing's going to keep pulling down. So when I got in there as it was pulling down and then getting bought back up. That's when you get in. And you can grab those bottoms. So you don't want to catch them. You want to get them when they're coming back up. I was trying to short that, but I think it might pop. This could squeeze. This could be a flat top breakout. A lot of buyers coming through. I'm long just to see if I can get it. Hopefully it's not going to get denied. Pushes up into the 20s. Like that. Perfect. I grabbed $300 off of it. Some change. Squeezing. So that's that flat top breakout. It's doing well now. Right out there, dude. Boom. Squeezing. Okay, now it's kind of showing promise that it's reversing. 41s. I'll throw 2 contracts on, but I'm not getting too crazy with it. Because it could reverse. Just like that. Small pullback. Squeezing higher. To the 44 is the high of the candle. Squeezing. Oh, might be pulling back here. Small pullback, micro pullback. I'm going to add here. It's a micro pullback. To the middle of that candle. I'm going to add long. Okay, I'm 4 contracts long. See if this thing can squeeze right back up into the 40s. Watching it. It's stalling. I don't like to see it stall. I'm getting out. I don't like that. This might just flush right here. Yeah, there goes. I don't like that. I got out. Small loss, but I didn't like how that thing pulled back into the 20s. This is just, nope, I don't like that. Gotta wait. I tried to grab it down in the mid 20s, but I think this thing's going to roll back over, pull back a little bit, go back to the trend line, at least like maybe like the 20s. There we go. That's not bad. Went to the mid 20s. Bull flag. Possible breakout here. Possible squeeze. I'm long five positions for a flag breakout to the hut, and then also it's going to squeeze out all the shorts up here. So squeezing. Not really working. You want to see that momentum squeeze this all out. Breakout or bail out. Oh no. Oh no. Give it a second. There we go. Again, might be a false breakout. Come on, squeeze. It's not doing it. I couldn't wait around for that. It might do it, but it wasn't doing it for me. The 43s, there we go. To the mid 5. There. Of course it goes. That's alright. I knew what I was trying to do. I should have gave it more time. That would have been already completed. 500 contract, or with $500 moves like that. Let's see if I can get long here at the 48s and see if we can push this thing up and not flush me out and reject the 50s. It might though. Ooh. It wicked above me around my entry here. It goes again. Watching it. One more push higher. I'm gonna add. No, I'm not. Jeez, it flushed. I'll add now. See if I can get this thing and not blow up this account. Come on, one more higher. One more pop. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Not gonna happen. Adding for a Hail Mary. starting to know where I'm at. Oh, my drawdown sucks. There we go. Oh my god, it's just not going. Now it goes. You're killing me. With only the 5 contracts. Ah, man. That's a bummer. It's okay. At least I recovered somewhat. Oh, this thing's annoying. It's not breaking out, though. It's almost like it's a tweener. You don't know if it's a good short or if it's just consolidating and it's going to break out again. I'm gonna go short and see what happens. It just looks weak. It's just not going. If it breaks here, it's gonna pull back pretty hard. Like that. Like that. Keep pulling. I need to really flush. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, that helped out. 1881 on my drawdown. It's holding a little bit. I don't know why. It just keeps on holding. This should be rolling over here pretty soon. Watching these pullbacks. I'm gonna throw a little bit of music on. Some no copyright. Look at that flush. It just stopped everybody out down to the 30s. I wouldn't be surprised if they got retested. Just swung huge with 10 contracts. I mean, you might as well. Just a qualifier account. Might squeeze up here. Go test the 50s. It could be a big spot. It's getting rejected. I'll go long on it. Why not? See if we can go back up and retest. Going huge size here. Let's see if this thing can rip right back up to the 50s. Struggling. If this goes against me, it can just destroy me. Gotta be careful here. Nope. Ooh, we'll take it. Just sniped a little bit on that, huh? That was it. Just had to wait for it to pop right back up. Alright, not bad. Alright, this thing's starting to, it broke above 50 there, so. This could be the big push up to the 60s. I'm gonna go long to the 60s. Quick sells. Just that $100. Okay, cool. Oh, look at that, to the 60s. Ah, man, that would have been it. That would have been a qualified 2,714 right now. Save this account. I was down. Got a 25 max route. Trailing drawdown, which is fine. It's going back into like a little bit of a like resistance area. And on the 5-minute chart, it's also going into the 20-day moving average. So you might see a little pull off. Yeah, there's that pullback. Wow. Wow, the thing just engulfed. Look at that thing just. I feel like buying it, but I'm gonna buy it, see what happens. Oh, I was right there, and then it basically sold the same spot I was at. I was actually up. I gotta go with smaller size. I'm gonna go long. See if we can this bearish engulfing. Hopefully it's just it's fake. Reclaim back up there in the 60s. It's a good spot. A lot of buyers. We need some buyers come through. I don't think I'd want to short here. It'd be kind of weird. Ah, man. They didn't want it. Oh, false breakdown. Maybe. Yep. Let's go. Keep going. I'll sell up here. 59s. Just wait for it. It's gonna push all the way up, huh? Hit the 55s next. Keep going. It's getting pushed. It's stalling a little bit. Keep going. All the way to the 59s. Come on. Ooh. I'm getting out. I don't like how that came back down like that. Just wicked right back down. Which I get, that's how it does, but I'm just trying to game this thing and get an extra, $250 here and then be done. with this evaluation. I'm gonna go long here. For the squeeze. For the squeeze. Any more of a squeeze than that? Squeeze up. Man, what is going on? Should have squeezed up for sure. I was just getting held down. Got out for a $100 loss. Hey. It's gonna probably have a pullback and then squeeze higher. Okay, I'm long at the 45s. Hoping for one more pop up to the 50s. I can't let this go against me. If this thing just dumps hard, I'm screwed. Testing the 45s, they're back up. Here goes to the 50s. Oh, I got out too early. $200 winner though on that one, that's fine. Just need another 190 bucks. I got this. Another evaluation passed. I'm gonna go down to my sides, there's no reason to go that high. I'm shorting this. Got it. That was it. That was that slap. Could have. I mean, everybody knows that they all have their stops there, so I felt like if I short that and it slaps out all those guys that were going long, I know that I would hit my stop. Cool, dude. There's another one passed. 3,065 valuation done. Need some water. Hey, I just saw your message there, Sun Beach, or Sun Beach. Yeah, that's right. Another evaluation passed. Have I ever tried Forex? I believe I have a little bit. It was a long time ago, but nothing I'm too interested in. I tried to do it. It's I wouldn't be opposed to it. I just know that you need a ton of leverage and all that stuff to do it. I'm gonna grab some water. I played a long time ago. Oh, I'm on caps, so I don't want to yell at you. I saved that account. I got alright, so it looks like I'm So far, I've lost one account today. There's one past. There's one I'm working on. I'll continue on here. Let me get some water. horrible music. This thing's just consolidating up top here, and it's just going sideways. Power hour's coming. We'll see what happens. I'll take that. Scalped another 500 there. I was hoping it would reject. Maybe not. Flush. Come on. That's okay. Well, that's not good. Try to get in there and too much size. This is what happens when you have too much size. I still have 1,000 though. I could dumb it down. Jeez, I would have been killing it if I just kept it. Probably gonna blow this account up. Gonna blow it. And go aggressive here. Ah, blew it. I knew it. Went a little too hard on it. Ah, so close on that one. I'm 2 for 2. Oh, look at that thing flush. Got rejected. Hard. I want to say I might have some top step evals left. I can't remember. I do. I have some evals for top step as well right now. Hoping this is going to be a bear flag. See it pull right back down. Thinking down to the 28s. Whoa! Alert, alert, alert. To the 28s. Trying to cover in the 28s. There it is. Pop. Got it. I bought this 150 account thinking I could swing for the fences, and it's a tough one. For sure. I gotta look it back up to even see what the rules are. So I don't remember. It's gonna be top step. I'm gonna see what's up with the What does the daily loss limit? I see. Okay, so I can't even get to. Just looking at some of these accounts. Down to the 10s, reversing. Little aggressive. Little aggressive. Get a nice candle down. Nah. Not just a wick down, that is. Wick down. Continuation. Why go against it, huh? Huge candle. Alright, let's see if I can hop on this and it doesn't screw me. To the 70s. Oh, of course. Oh, man. It's gonna start pulling back. Hopefully it's just a small pullback and then a rip higher. No, don't give up. Keep going. take that. It's a double top. I'm gonna short this thing. I don't know, man. Hard to trust it. Damn. You need to keep going. Letting it go against me, that was stupid, huh? I don't think it'll hold though. Just a big breakdown. Snap. Bye-bye. Nice. Nice flush with 8 contracts. Take it. I didn't think it was going to go, you know? It's at the top there. Needed a nice pullback. This market's going to probably pull right back down to the lows. Ooh, yeah, baby. Flushed. The bigger one's gonna be this one, yep. Yo, yo. What's up, Ken? Ken C. Official. Yeah, official. What up, what up? Just trading some counts here. I can start a poll. Do you trade prop firms? Yes, no question here. Yeah, you're welcome. That's awesome. I'm glad you're having a decent day. Nope, that's not good. It's going a little against me here. I want this to break down here and fill me right here at the 37 mark. Like that. Yeah, kind of. No, it's the afternoon here in the U.S. Thank you. I got this account that I'm just. It's called the prop firm. You got to qualify for it, and I'm up $2,780 or $98 on the day on this one. I passed a couple other prop firms today. Apex. I blew this one up. I passed this one here. Blew that one up. And then I passed this one here. So 3,065 on that one. And then 3,251 on that one. It's been crazy. Yeah, usually I do. I didn't do any coffee today. No coffee for me today. I actually just did a little soft drink kind of thing. The energy drink. Coffee's better though. Let's go. This thing's pulling down. This market's pulling down. It's staying down. I'm watching it. There might be a pop back up, but I'm not gonna grab that pop. This thing's gonna pull right down. I'm gonna go short here. Continue to pull down here. I'm gonna see if it can continue just a little bit more. Gotta watch this time and sales over here. That can kill me. That's a bottoming buy up. That's not good for me to be short, but I'm not sure I believe it. I won't be stubborn though. I'll get out if I have to. A double flush. This is one. I need one more. One more. One more. Come on, one more. See, they're buying it up. I think they're gonna get stuck. It's gonna slap right back down. Slap here, right here, right here. Slap me. 500 bucks. 500. Oh. Got 2. There we go. All done. 3,785 on the day. This account. Yeah, you need it. You need to monitor that kind of work. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. You gotta watch it. You got a little bit of a buy zone here, though. Gotta watch out for it. It's a buy zone. I'm gonna wait for it to flush. Watching it. Watching the time and sales right here. I might be able to go big on this one. There's that flush. See if it could hold. It's not holding. It's getting crushed. Destroyed. Look at that. This demand zone right here is getting beat. Going to low a day. Low a day, getting hit. Low a day was tapped. Right here. Wow. I'm gonna buy it. See if I can go up a little bit. Hopefully a small reversal is all I'm looking for right here. 100, 200, 500,000. Oh, $900, $800. That's not a bad one there. 3:22 in the morning. How are you up, man? Jesus. $4,554 on this account. I needed it back though. Oh, you know what? I did the wrong account. I was showing you something different. Oh well. I need this other one over here. I need this one. This is the one I needed it on. That's unfortunate. I could have used that on this account big time. This one's only 2,798. I want to get out there. Down to the bottom again. Testing the lows. It's going to slap those lows possibly one more time here. There's the slap. Pushing lower. I'm going to try to get possible bounce. I doubt it, though. I doubt it, though. It won't give me the bounce. It won't give me the bounce. Up here. Up here. Keep going. Up, up, up. Come on. Buy it up. Keep going. To the 90s. 90s. I'll take a $300 hit. Let's go. Account's back to 150. $150,000 account. Trading Top Step. Let's go. Got Ken in the house, baby. Let's go. Let's show Ken what's up. Show him how to trade. Be a rich man over there in the Philippines, baby. Let's go. We're watching possible reversals here. This is a huge downtrend, but it might want to try to defend the bottom of the lows here. It's going to retest. It's Possibly retest here. I want to scalp, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure about this. This is probably gonna get rejected. Comes up, hits this, and comes right back down. Double top, rollover, huh? I'm gonna go for a long here. Push higher. I don't know if it's gonna work out. Nope. Maybe. Yes, baby! 450 on that one. Let's go. 3,509. I waited that one out. I'm not gonna lie. I got a little white knuckled on it. Whew. Not bad. My risk was to a little lower, but oh, look at this thing. Now it's getting punched down. Punched. Might want to grab another one. That double top. Double here. Shapes. Grab those circles. Not bad. That right there. And this right here. Called a double top. Comes up, hits there, and rejects, comes back down. This is a pretty good one, but it'll, you know, you can get stopped right out. I'd say buy right down here in the 80s. Right here is good. Right here, right in the 80s. Nah, it's getting pushed down. You gotta watch the time and sales over here. I'm going short. 5 contracts, getting flushed. See if I could hold it. Short up here at the 88s. Down here's where I want to go. Right down here. I don't want it to pop back up. I don't want it to pop back up. I don't want it to pop back up. There we go. Flush it all the way down. Right here. Cover me down here. Cover me down. Oh. It's trying to hold. It's consolidating sideways. I don't like that. Right down here. Right down here. Green line. Boom. Oh, good Lord. There's another one, baby. Another one. Huge contract size. 4,107 on the day on that. These are qualifying accounts. Prop firm. This one here is top step. Let's go. This one's going to get punched. It's going to hit right here low days. Watching the time and sales, seeing if the 80 is going to hold. I don't think it is. I think this is going to come back down and touch this red line. It's going to definitely test it. I'm not sure exactly right now, but it's definitely going to test it again. Popping up. It's trying to consolidate in this area here. In price action. What you want to do is you want to look for this right here to break. Not hold. I mean, if you want it to break, yellow. If that thing breaks, it's in trouble. It's holding right now. Definitely don't want this on. There's the break, and it's going to come right back down most likely and test this red line. That's the low a day on the price action. Comes back up. Just trying to regain. I'm going to short it there at 86, and I'm going to grab some right down here. I'm not gonna wait the whole ride. Hopefully it doesn't come back. Waiting. I'm seeing some buying coming in, which is not good for me. But I'd like to see this right here. Right here on the green line. Let's go. Watching. I'm not sure about this because there's a lot of buying coming in. I see some. I need to get it slammed. Yeah, so it's going to get over this, man. That's alright. Oh, it slammed back down. I waited. I'm still gonna wait this out. I'll stop up here. Okay, that's okay. Got a little hit on that one. He got me on that one. That's alright. So it was a fake break. Break came back down. I didn't think it was gonna hold. Okay, now he's got some volume coming in here. We got power hour. Volume's coming in, baby. Let's go. I know I'm on fire. Let's go. I got a little hit on that one, though. Alright. Back to the double tops. I don't like this. Personally, I don't like this. I wouldn't just take this break out here, because you can get stuck right here. There was my stop out right here. It's coming back in. Starting to flush now. It's flushing. My idea was right, I was just wrong on entry. I'm getting long. See if I can get here at the 89s. Hopefully it'll hold for me. This is going to be a very risky trade. Very risky trade. But I think it's possible. To the 2000s. It's risky, but it should hold and pop. That's the plan. Nope. I gotta get out. That one took me down. Ooh, that was 2,000. It's hitting lows. I was hoping for a nice pop back up. We're on the bottoms here. There's not going to be much reversals. Let's see if I can. This thing's going to push. It's probably going down to the 50s. Lows are getting struck. Hitting lows, hitting lows. It's those reversals, though. If you could hit those. I want to go long so bad right here. I want to go long so bad. I gotta dumb down the size here. I'm gonna short it. Oh, it didn't get me. Hopefully it fills and drops. Oh, one contract. Come on, get all of me. Get all of me. There we go. 5. Drop it now. Drop it down. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it. Come on. Flush me down. All the way down. Lows. Test the lows. Come on. Nobody's buying. Get out of here. Nobody's buying. They're selling. Selling. All the way down. Sell it. Sell it. I'm gonna add. Oh, I tried to add short. It's okay. Watch this flush, guys. Watch this flush. Come on. Flush. Who's gonna buy here? Flush it. Flush it down. One more pop. One more down. Take me out. Take me out. That's alright. A little bit back. Let's go. So this is that what account is this? This is my Top Step account. I got that 150K account. Got a little drawdown on. Oh, look at that thing go down, guys. Oh my goodness. Watch this. I want if I can get it, it's gonna pop. Hopefully pop and then drop hard. I gotta be quick on it though. 10 contracts. I don't want it to reverse. Oh no, that's the wrong way. I'm willing to risk it though. This thing should flush hard. I mean hard into the 40s, 50s. I mean, I can't see that going up. I could, but that would be weird. Gotta watch my daily loss. Support's kind of coming in. There's a lot of buyers. That ain't good. I don't want to blow it up. That stopped me out. Because I blew the account. I didn't have very much leeway. That's all right. That was fun though. I was pushing that damn account pretty hard. I was hoping that it wouldn't have a nice pop back up like that. I don't really care about this account. I just decided it was like one of those fun ones to trade. All right, what do we got here? Okay, so I got this account. I don't even know where I'm even at on it. So is this holding now? Got ourselves a little reversal here. Is that what's going on? I'm not doing it. I'm gonna go short. Short, one contract. There's two. This is gonna be some quick scalps. It's a small account. I can't be messing around with it at all. There it is, 210. Whoa. It's power hour. Should be down. Go down, down, down. It's gonna do the wick shimmy dance. It's probably gonna go up. Yep, it's gonna go up. I don't even know where I'm supposed to go with it. I don't think I'm allowed to go below 48,000 on this. I'm going up with it though. Looks like the market's pushing. I don't know if I have enough room. Oh god, look at that. Now it pulls against me. It's hard when you want to go long up here, but it'll probably squeeze because everybody's so short. So let's go. Let's get a little squeeze going. Watching it. I don't have much room on this account, so it's like, what am I gonna do? I wouldn't be surprised if this snapped. Oh, I can't. It already knocked me out. I had no room on that account. Let's see what else I got as far as accounts go. Dude, what are you doing? What? What's wrong with this thing? Well, that was fun. Alright. Evaluation call mine account. I think I hit the threshold I wasn't allowed to hit or something. I don't even know what I have left with these accounts. No, they're all gone. These are gone. Apex. What else do I have? Have anything else left? No, I blew up 2. 1, 2, blew up 2. It's alright. We got this. I pushed it hard. I pushed it hard. I'm gonna go grab a couple more accounts here since I'm... What is this music? I wonder why it's free. This market's bleeding pretty bad today. I mean, down 336 points. Whew. Chopperman, did you get anything in? Did you get any, you trading yet? That went right against me and then just dropped right back down. I'm gonna see if I can grab a couple more accounts. I don't know if they'll be ready in time. That's the only problem. Look at that thing. It's rolling over. Staying on the lows. Staying on the lows. It was a little hot, but then coming back down. My retirement account's doing good because I'm short. Okay, not bad. Not a bad day on the retirement account. Okay. Okay. Yep. 45.5. That's when that hit. Hitting the lows. You got support in the 530s. Looking on the 5-minute chart. The market's kind of treating me nice today. It's been interesting. Getting a little, maybe a little base down here. Possible squeeze back up. End of day. I wouldn't count on it, but it's possible. Try to finish in the 19.6s. Retest this area up here. Maybe a swing high to the 6s, fail, come back down to the flush. Here it goes. It's pushing. Watching the retest here to 600s. You want to see a rejection off this. Maybe a little wick come up and then come back down. Or if it breaks, you want to see it break up here, come back, retest, hold this area, and then continue higher. Here's that wick in. You want to see the rejection out of that 600 mark in here. You want to see it get pushed right back down. Pulled back down. Push up, pull down. News is out. The imbalances are out. That imbalances, pre-imbalances come out at 1250 or 350. There's that rejection, right? Comes back down. Be careful because it could just hold this trend. Not that that trend has that much merit, but it could hold. And it could also hold right here, and this could be new support right here. In the 87s, 85s. And then bounce back up. But you just gotta watch it. You gotta watch the price action. There's a lot of selling going on, so it's like tug of war in here right now. You want this to hold if you're a long guy. And you want it to reverse. But for me, I think if this could break, it'd be really nice. There's that reversal, starting to cover. There's that possible support. But if this thing breaks, this could be your trade. You can say, okay, I'm gonna get here, I'm gonna get short in here. You want it to go low day, or even right here to the 60s. Right here to the 60s is where you can potentially cover. And if it looks like it's holding up too much, then you just stop out, break even, or just take some profit on the way down. It's got room to the 60s. See if I can get in here. I'll get aggressive. I got another count. I don't know if it'll be ready. Right there. It's coming down. I wouldn't worry about that pop too much, to be honest. It might pop up, but I'd like to see it roll over and just come right back down. Be mindful of it. This is that area where it breaks that support right here, and then test it right here in the 86s, and then fails, and also runs into your trend line. So there's a fail. Now it's pulling back. You want to see this snap out, hit all the stops right here, because there's people that are long and they're holding it at the bottom of this candle, and they're, oh, I'm gonna get long here in the 70s. That snaps because that support's gonna hit all the stops. Watching the time in sales though, you gotta see what happens, because it looks like there's a lot of people buying. So I'd like to see this thing snap and just break, come down. Right down here to the 60s. Look right here. Right to that golden line. Boom. You would have been filled. And then now it's going to test low day again. Potentially. Or it might just wick off and come back up. But there's a lot of... You just got to watch the time in sales. There it is. Just like that. Trading does not need to be that hard. And I'm going to count up though. Where is it? No, doesn't look like they're going to give it to me today. That would have been my play though. Waiting for that trend line to break, snap, test low days. If this thing snaps, this thing's probably going to go to the 40s. Probably 40s to, I mean, at best, I say the mid-20s. Let's watch it snap down to there. If this doesn't hold, if this just gets crushed and snaps hard, you're going to see this thing rip and pull all the way down. Probably into the 30s. At best, a big hard flush and pull would be down into the 20s. Not that I'd want to take that trade. Especially if everybody starts covering their positions and you see a nice big squeeze. This is the $half area, right? You have 19,550. So $half areas kind of hold dollar areas as well. So it's either like right, they made their decision up here, or they make their decision down here for the support, to make support out of it. So they're making support out of it, sorta, right now. This could also be a pop off that support, come up, and now you got all these people that are trying to get long, and then the institutions come in and they slam it with some crazy amount of size, and they slam it right back down, and then everybody here gets caught offside on the long side because they're thinking that it's going to be a bounce play and a reversal back up to here, which it could be. That's fine, but just know where you're going to get in, which they probably got in down here in the 50s, and understand that like you got to have an area up here to take profit. Okay, imbalances are going to be coming out right now. It's going to start getting wonky. Possibly starts getting a little weird. I wouldn't be surprised if it tests the lows and pushes down into like the 40s. You just need that volume. I'd say at best it's going to test back down into the mid 25s. That's at best. You need that volume though. The volume's coming. I just don't know if it's coming to push it down any further. It's sold off pretty good today. Just holding the lows. I just feel like these guys are getting offside here. I understand it's a support and all that stuff, but it just seems wrong. It just seems like they're going to get stuck long, and this thing's going to pull back down, and they're all going to hit their stops, and this thing's just going to flush like this. Here we go, into the 50s. If this can't hold, there we go, mid-40s, 40s, low 40s, a little bit of a bounce. They're trying to buy it. It's not. That's nothing. That's not a buyback. That's just some covers coming through. So a lot of stops just got hit right there, right? So stops got hit, people got out. And we'll see if we can hold it. 3 minutes left. Like I said, all these people up here just got trapped that were long. And I don't know how, what they were risking to. They were probably risking a low a day. So then once they hit low a day, they just hit all their stops. Because they stopped out. That's the liquidity grab. They just go and they smack all those stops and then they come right back in. We got 2 minutes left. There we go. Finally came through. Jeez. All right. So what do I think is going to happen here? Do I think it's going to go and actually rebuttal and go up and kind of squeeze up? Or is it going to hold the 50s here? That's the big question. It shot all the way up to 62. It's hard to say because we're at the lows. Not too many people are shorting it right here. This is all like okay. Shot up. We got imbalances that are coming out. Not sure if they're to the buy side or not. I was not watching or looking. I'm gonna go short here. I hope I'm right. I don't know. It's possibly they're gonna start pulling up some shares and grabbing them. But I wouldn't want to go long and then just get completely screwed. I'm thinking that the 60s can slap. They're going up. Oh boy. It's going to stop me out. That's alright. I took a chance and that blew the account, but I didn't know if it was a buy imbalance or a sell imbalance, so it held it. They covered, and that's a lot of those contracts that are getting kind of covered right there because they don't want to hold them overnight. So I won 2 out of 3. 1, 2, lost 3. It's a loss. Just on that one last perk. It popped up. I took a huge size on it. It's 5 contracts. You don't have much of a drawdown on these. Here it comes right back in. If my size wasn't as big, it would have been fine. I was just going for the home run swing though, no big deal. Okay. Not bad. Looks like they're going to go test the 600s. There's not too many people shorting now after hours. Doesn't mean it still can't go down, but this is where you get those grinds back. It's almost like a bull flag. Oh, yep, it's pushing up. They're probably gonna take that 600 back and start pushing it up higher. Yep. There it goes. I'd like to see this thing squeeze. Honestly, like a little nice little bull flag, squeeze all the way up. Just keep on chugging. I got this long in my my cash account. Not the greatest fill. 602s. Yeah. We'll see. There we go. There we go. Keep pushing. Let's go. Good. God dang it. Retest my O2. I'm just gonna get out. $20. It's fine. It's just not really. I want it to jam, you know. But it's hard and it's after hours. I don't need that to be like a lower high, and then all of a sudden it just starts tanking. I think it's gonna grind to the teens. Let's see if we can crack this and roll over. I'm looking for this to pull back a little here. Start seeing some profits get taken. Oh, small pullback, but I want to see it like resist on that trend line that I drew. I drew a trend line. Looking for a small red candle now to pull back here. Bring it back in. Short at 19,607. Here comes that red candle. I'm hoping for the pullback, a good one, a nice hard pullback. There we go, a little bit. It's not enough anymore. It's pushing. Back to the teens, like I was saying I was going to go to. It's pulling back a little bit, but that was basically a base it made there. Back to the 600s though, huh? What a grind. This thing just keeps on grinding. Let me get out. Small little loss there, no big deal. Alright. There it goes. Go long here, 2 contracts, so you can get a nice scalp up to the 17s. We're gonna hit a high 19. Wow, what the hell was this? All of a sudden, huh? That was nasty. Wow. Oh, now it's snapping back up. Oh, let's see. I'm holding through it a little bit here. Gotta be smart though. Wow. Whoa. Man, what's this thing doing? I'm watching it. I hope it just rips right back up, because that was a pretty lame. There we go. Wow. It's pushing. I'm just gonna get out. $130 loss, but damn, I was down like $400 or $500 right there. Jesus, that was nasty. There's no reason for that candle. It just slammed the bid. I would have liked to kept it, but I just don't trust it now that it slammed down like that. I mean, it slammed down like 10 points and some change against me. Oh, man. All right. Great.